Hello everyone, welcome to the Succulent Advisor. Today we will discuss about how to water our succulent and a cactus plant. Depending on the type of plants and how it is potted up, there are a different watering method we can use. Always use the rainwater and a tap water for your succulent. Do not use the distilled water because in a distilled water some useful minerals are not available. We always prefer rainwater. We will make one separate video on which water is best for succulent. First method is watering from above. This method is used for vertical or stem grower succulent. Here I am use kettle for watering succulent. You can use whatever you have with narrow spout. We have to pour water onto the surface of the soil. Do not water on the stems and leaves. If you water on the stems or leaves, then there have chances of stem rot and leaves falling. One important thing is we have to water our succulent in a morning or a evening because splashes of water can mark foliage or even scorch plant in a bright sunlight. Second method is watering from below. This method is used for rosette type of succulent and which are grown in a circular shape or those which stem covering the soil which would be damaged by overhead watering. Let's start. Use a 2 semi-deep tray. Place pot in a tray. Leave it for around 20 minutes or until you see the top of the soil darkening, then tip any remaining water away. Third method is watering using a series. This method is ideal for cactus and succulents in a small pots or in a group arrangements, where a watering can sprout may be too wide to insert between the plants. Let's start. Position the fine nozzle of the series over the soil and squeeze to apply small amount of water that will be absorbed by the soil without splashing the leaves. If this video is really helpful for you, then please like and share it. If you want to know more about succulent and its care, then please subscribe our channel.